This is my dog. I'm a dog mommy, y'all. This is my little baby. Say hi, Coco. Say hi, Stinky girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like I haven't seen you guys in so long, and thank you for still sticking with me. I'ma still keep growing. I'ma still try to keep putting this content out for y'all. I know I've been slacking, life has gotten to me, but I'm back and I'm gonna be better. So I promise y'all gonna see more of me. So today we are here because we are unboxing a goodie for this purchase, you guys, because I've been wanting these boots for I think at least like 2 years. Maybe about 3 years. And I could have got them a long time ago. I mean, it's really long time ago, but I would always see something different and want to buy that, and I'm just like, I'll get the boots later. I was like, okay, this is it. I'm not going to wait. I'm going to go ahead and just get these boots today. And that's what I did last week. I was like, just get it, Diamond. I mean, just swipe the card. Just swipe the card. So as the title says, we're getting into an unboxing video. I do enjoy doing these because you guys get a personal insight of my opinion. Whatever the case may be, I come here, bring you guys my honest reviews, and then you guys get to decipher if you want to go pick it up yourself. So today we are unboxing my Laureate desert boots from Louis Vuitton. Y'all, these boots, I mean, I've seen these a gazillion times, and I told myself if I didn't buy these by the end of this year, I just was going to like go crazy, because I keep seeing people with them and I'm just like, damn, those are boots I want so bad, and I could have been got them and I never did. So in this corner right here, I'm going to show you a little snippet of my unboxing process. It was an experience opening this package. What I learned with my branding manager, shout out to Yanni, that when you do purchase something, it should be an experience. And I think that's why I love purchasing from Louis Vuitton, because even though they don't add anything extra, but the unboxing process is just so like therapeutic to me, at least. This is my second pair of Louis Vuitton shoes. I just love Louis Vuitton shoes. I don't know. I just love them. I did not purchase these boots in the store due to COVID. Like, a lot of things, going into the store and purchasing certain things, certain items isn't really feasible. So I took it upon myself to just make it easier for me and the sales associate. Let me just go ahead and order online. So I ordered it online Monday morning, I believe, and the boots were ready for pickup the next day. Because it had to be shipped from another store. I believe that was in New Jersey. But when I got to the store, I picked them from Tyson's Galleria in Virginia. And I was able to stand in line for a little bit. They came to me, asked me what I was here for. I told them I was picking up my shoes. They brought it out to me after I showed them my bank card and my ID. After that, I left. Louis Vuitton has exceptional customer service, and I don't think I will never stop being a consumer of Louis Vuitton, because just all of the items that I do have and have purchased in the past, I've never had an issue with the sales associate. Now I've been to Gucci where I like, it depends on who you're dealing with, but with Louis Vuitton, everybody treats you the same, and that's what I like when I'm purchasing expensive items, especially over $1,000. So these boots retailed at $1,330, I believe, around that. And then I ended up, with taxes and everything, paying around $1,400 for these shoes. They've gone up since they first came out to almost $300 in inflation of the price, but again, they're worth it in my eyes, so that's why I've purchased them. And these are boots that I've wanted for a very long time, so I might as well just have went and bit the bullet and just got them. Because what I've noticed with Louis Vuitton is every season they increase their prices by $100. So why not just get it out the way? when you see it the first thing. That's how I'm a proud owner of these boots now. I'm happy y'all. Let me show y'all a good picture. So every pair of Louis Vuitton shoes comes with these single dust bags. Sorry. Each shoe gets a dust bag, so you don't have to stuff both shoes into one big one. And these are it, y'all. Oh my gosh, I love them. And I got, so I'm usually a size 8.5 in women, so I was able to get a 38.5 in these, which they fit perfectly, y'all. I mean, they fit like a glove. So I have Archlight sneakers, and so my Archlight sneakers, I believe, are 39 because they cut a little narrow at the top, so I had to get something a little bit more wider. But these don't cut, and these fit so good. Now, I don't recommend someone with narrow feet to get these shoes, only because it's such a narrow shoe. If you guys see it right here at the top, that if anybody with a wider foot would be so uncomfortable in these shoes. You could pair these up with some shorts, a dress, some pants, leggings, you name it. You could pair it up with these. I just can't wait to wear these, to be honest with you guys. I think they're such a versatile shoe. You can wear them in the fall, you can wear them in the winter, you can wear them in the spring, you can wear them in the summer. I plan to wear them all year round. I ain't gonna wear them all the time, but I'm gonna wear them. I'm gonna wear them boots because, y'all, I finally got my boots. The reason why I wanted to purchase these boots is because I feel like they're not gonna go out of style. They've been around for a couple years, and they are still hot. Why not? Why not? As always, thank you guys for tuning into my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.